The cryptocurrency market has undoubtedly had a very rough go of it. Now, 2023 has been optimistic and we've seen some increases in prices since the beginning of the year, and May marks the first month in which Bitcoin declined in 2023. Guys, that's not a bad sign. I mean, we still had another 4 full months of increases in price. We've still had a decent little bull rally here. We've still had prices moving higher. But people are kind of getting torn right now. We've got MiCA, however you pronounce it, regulations in the European Union, which I believe are a little bit out of control and a little out of hand. We're going to talk about that in this video. And why so? And I'm laughing because I'm thinking about the next headline. 500x increases in the price of XRP when Ripple wins this lawsuit. Let's talk about some price predictions for Ripple's XRP as well. Now, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. If you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you guys are holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset by holding on a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Guys, let's jump in real quick to see what is going on in the overall cryptocurrency market and in the regulation that is beginning in the European Union. Now, if you guys are unaware, the European Union Parliament, they passed this MiCA law. It's an abbreviation, and it's very interesting, okay? Because they are on the forefront of actually defining cryptocurrency regulatory, I guess, protocol, and that's something that we have not had before. People refer to cryptocurrency as the Wild West because there basically are no rules. Anybody that wants to create a crypto token can create a crypto token. These securities, or these exchanges that are being blasted right now for listing securities, well, nobody defined cryptocurrency as a security. See, it's causing more problems right now than it is, I guess, benefits, and that's where the regulatory concerns stem from. Now, listen to this. Treat crypto as securities by default, European Parliament study says. Now, just a blank slate, treat it as a security, is a stupid idea. Now, I don't know who in Parliament thought that this was a good idea. I don't understand how they made it that far in the European government by just blank slating and throwing everything under the same cover and deciding, well, you know what, it doesn't matter if it is a security, doesn't matter if it acts like a security, doesn't even matter if just call it a security. So you can see how stupid that is. Now, let's go over it and see what they're saying here and how this would have implications, both good and bad, for the crypto space. Landmark new crypto laws under MiCA may have few short-term benefits without further steps. Therefore, if we want these to have benefits, the European Parliament says they need 100% control. The report commissioned by the European lawmakers says, crypto assets should be treated as securities by default. And the autonomous organizations that govern decentralized finance should be granted legal status. Ooh, there we go. MiCA. Now we want the power. Now we want the control, and it's going to be over every crypto asset. You know what's crypto asset? Bitcoin, Ethereum. All these decentralized, truly decentralized crypto tokens out there. Who the heck cares? MiCA wants control of them. What is it even a crypto asset? Is it even decentralized if it's controlled by a central authority? I'll answer that for you. No, it's not. should be granted legal status according to a study commissioned by lawmakers at the European Parliament that was published on Tuesday. The report comes as the European Union finalizes its Markets in Crypto Assets, or the MiCA, regulation and considers whether a sequel will be needed to cover extra areas like DeFi, staking, and non-fungible tokens. Well, why would it? If you classify it and put it all together, it's certainly not going to need any new regulation. MiCA owns it. So, listen, there's not much that goes on in further detail here. It talks about how many crypto assets are there that are out there, the fact that only illegal, scams use cryptocurrency. North Korean hackers are the only thing that benefit from cryptocurrency. Russian sanctioned skirters are the only people that use the cryptocurrency. So, yeah, they sound a lot like the United States with their unwavering control that they're desiring in the cryptocurrency space. Sorry, European Parliament, you guys have lost it on that one, and I don't know how to regain that respect. We've got another headline out there that I want to touch briefly because this does have to do with the regulation, and it has to do with the SEC losing their case with Ripple if that comes to be. XRP breaks a 2-year trend line and is a 500x surge on the horizon. I'm going to go ahead and answer that and say no. Ripple's XRP is not going to 500x. Here's the thing that the article breaks down. XRP is breaking through its 2-year descending trend line, and this is a very bullish sign. This indicates that people are optimistic about the outcome between Ripple's XRP and the SEC. Now, clearly, if Ripple wins this lawsuit, and XRP is not deemed a security, this is going to be much bigger than just a single lawsuit. This is going to indicate that if the SEC can't win a lawsuit against Ripple's XRP, a centralized crypto that allowed Ripple to raise $1 billion+ in hopes that people would be able to benefit from the growth of Ripple as a business, basically ticking all of the checks off of the Howey test and stating that yes, Ripple could very well, or XRP could very well be a security. If the SEC can't win that lawsuit, they're certainly not going to win any lawsuit against any other cryptocurrency unless that cryptocurrency comes out and says, yeah, we are a security. So this goes on to say that the trend line is now bullish. We are breaking out to the upside. In 2017, if traders would have bought at the low and sold at the high, you would have 500 extra money for a 50,000% gain. Now, luckily, the analyst in this article talks about the market cap of Ripple and says that a 500x gain is not going to happen again because Ripple's current market cap is $26 billion. It was much, much lower in 2017 and yes, did run above the $26 billion mark. But look, if you're asking me, which who the heck cares what I think, right? If you're asking me, I do think that Ripple, being a company, being on the forefront of the financial services sector in blockchain technology, is capable of a $1 trillion+ valuation. It truly is capable of passing Bitcoin in value, and therefore it would be capable of roughly a 50x increase from its current levels. Now, $1 trillion on one of the world's largest companies is not crazy. Nvidia just passed $1 trillion. I think it's trading a little bit below $1 trillion right now, but Nvidia just passed $1 trillion. Apple, multi-trillion-dollar company. Google out there. Now, I know putting Ripple in the same category as some of these mammoth companies right now may not be, I guess, feasible in the next year or so. But as Ripple continues to grow, if it makes a name for itself and becomes the leading blockchain technology financial services company in the world, why would it not be worth $1 trillion? Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.